Yes, sir. Retained earnings account. Purpose: collect profit or loss from PL account at year end. Example: company profit in 2025 is equal to 50 lakhs. During year end closing, all the revenue and expense account are transferred to the retained earning account. Result: profit and loss account became zero. Profit moves into balance sheet. Example: GL 30 lakhs retained earnings.
Okay. So basically, whatever profit or loss you have at the year end, okay? Yes, it collects it. Yes or no? And all revenue
Okay.
and expense accounts are transferred to the retained earning account. Okay? Is a result what happens? The result is PLN accounts become zero. Profit, whatever it is, moves into balance sheet. Yes or no? This happens
Yes,
at
sir.
the year end. Clear? Retained earning accounts, very simple concept. Yes or no? Whatever is remaining at the year end, it goes to the retained earning account. Very simple. Yes or no? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, how to go and make a retained earning account? Let's go back, 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 back. Again, SPRO. What is the full form of SPRO?
SAP Project Reference Object.
Correct. What is the full form of ING?
Uh,
SAP Reference Implementation Guide. Okay, Implementation Guide. Let's go.
Implementation guide.
Yes. Let's go to financial accounting. Let's go to general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation. Can you see defined retained earning account here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Click on it. Yes. What is our chart of accounts? Chart of accounts क्या है अपना?
INT 8. 8.
How to check? If I'm not sure, how to check what is my chart of account? Can anyone tell me? What is the T code where I
We
can?
can check with
OBY
the company code.
Yes, but what is the T code?
OBY6.
Correct. Very good. Let's go to OBY6. OBY6. SAN1 is the company code. Double click. My chart of account is INT8. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let me go back. Yes. Let me go to defined retained earning accounts. INT8. INT8.
8.
Yes. Now I will enter X here. Yes. And which account should I enter here? Company code is SAN1. Which account? Which account should I enter? Now, first we have to understand a retained earning account is what? Is it asset? Is it liability? Is it expense? Is it equity? Is it revenue? What is it?
Revenue account.
Okay. Why revenue?
Because it collects the amount of profit or loss.
Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, it's equity
Why is it equity?
because in the balance sheet, it is not profit and loss because we transfer all the profits to the retained earning
Hmm?
and show retained earning is shown as a shareholder funds on the equity side of the balance sheet. So it shows the total profit, not the profit and loss or trading something like of the business, what
Okay.
business has earned. So it will be treated as equity.
Okay. Okay. Can you read this again, Pragati?
Yes, the retained earning accounts in a SAP FICO is balance sheet account classified under the equity.
Clear, everyone?
Key characteristics. Okay.
No, no, continue.
Key characteristics in SAP FICO. First is account type. It is created as the balance sheet GL account, usually using FS00 within the equity reserves number range. Role, it acts as a bridge that automatically collects the net profit from the profit and loss accounts at the end of fiscal year. Configuration, it is defined during the system setup using transaction code OB53, where you link the chart of accounts to a specific PL statement account type.
Okay. So, retained earning account in SAP FICO is a balance sheet account under equity. Pragati, again, try to explain in simple words for those for others who don't know. Again, try to explain in simple words why retained earning accounts is equity.
Sir, because it includes the profit, which is total net profit earned by any business during the whole financial year. So when we go in the balance sheet, which shows the income and assets, capital and assets of the business. So retained earning includes that profit. That's why it is being shown
Okay.
in the equity
Okay.
side.
Okay, thank you. Think of equity as the owner's share in the business. Simple example. When you suppose you start a company with 10 lakh, assets are 10 lakh, liability is 0. Equity is 10 lakh. Yes, that is owner's investment. Clear? After 1 year, company makes a profit of 2 lakh. Now the company has assets 12 lakh, liability is 0. Who owns this extra 2 lakh profit? The owner does. Okay? Therefore, original equity is 10 lakh, profit is 2 lakh, total equity is 12 lakh. Yes. What does SAP do? During the year, revenue goes to the revenue account, expenses go to the expense account. At the year end, SAP calculates profit is equal to revenue minus expenses. Yes. Then SAP transfers this profit to retained earning account. Yes. Why is it called retained earnings? Because the company retains, keeps the profit inside the business instead of paying it to the shareholders. Clear, everyone? Yes. Okay. Now you must be thinking, what? Tell me, Pragati, tell me what happens if there is a loss and there is no profit? What happens then?
Sir, in balance sheet, if there is a loss in the profit and loss account, the same goes in the balance sheet also, and with due to which the net capital amount gets decreased.
No, but
We
will it?
minus it from the
Yes,
equity.
but will it still be treated as equity?
Uh, it will be shown under equity, but it will not be in the positive aspect.
Okay. What if there is no profit? Um, just loss at the year end. Okay. If there is a loss at the year end, SAP still transfers the result to retained earning accounts, but instead of increasing equity, it reduces equity. You start a business with owner's capital is equal to 10 lakh. During the year, revenue is 5 lakh, expenses 7 lakh. Okay. So result, loss of 2 lakh. At the year end, SAP closes the P&L accounts and transfers the 2 lakh loss to the retained earning accounts. Original equity 10 lakh, loss 2 lakh, remaining equity 8 lakh. So, suppose you own a football academy, invest 10 lakhs. After 1 year, you spend more than you earn and lose 2 lakh. Your academy's value from your perspective is now 8 lakhs. The loss has reduced the ownership value. Yes. What SAP does, whether there is profit, retain earnings increases equity, loss, retain earnings decreases equity. The year end closing process is the same. The only amount transferred is positive or negative. Clear, eh? Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Alekya, read this answer.
If the company makes a to the retained earnings account during year-end closing, the loss reduces the company equity because it decreases the accumulated earnings belonging to